Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
Slower, please. Slower, please.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Once again, please. Once again, please. It's difficult. It's difficult. Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hello. Hello.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening.
Good night. Good night.
Sorry to keep you waiting. Sorry to keep you waiting.
How are you? How are you?
How have you been? How have you been?
I'm good. I'm good.
This is for you. This is for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? How old are you? How old are you?
Where are you from? Where are you from? Where do you live? Where do you live?
What is it? What is it? Awesome. Awesome. Delicious. Delicious. I like it. I like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Help. Help.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. Really? Really? Please? Please?
Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Long time no see. Long time no see. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I want to eat. I want to eat. I'm planning to go tomorrow. I'm planning to go tomorrow. What's this? What's this?
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
How much is this? How much is this?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
May I sit here? May I sit here?
How long will you stay? How long will you stay? I have a fever. I have a fever. Please write it down. Please write it down. It looks great. It looks great. Do you like it? Do you like it? What's the next stop? What's the next stop?
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.